I think there is a great future in hotel management. When you enroll in an institute like this, the placement or the track record that has been there for the previous years has been excellent. So you are ensured that you would find a good job post the completion of your college. It is one of the best institutes in India to pursue a career in hotel management.
So decide where you want to be, okay? My best wishes are with you. I want you to do well. I want you to succeed. I want to make sure that आप सब लोग, मुझे ऐसा लगता है, आप सब लोग संजीव कपूर से 1000 गुना बड़े होने की ताकत रखते हैं.
And with glaze
Wow, here he comes. Kim Jasper. Mitchell from the Netherlands is today. Well done. Ever. You're all blessed because you've met so many new friends and shared different cultures this week. So thank you all. Very special for all of us. Thank you.